home today. That's it, man. That's all she wrote. What an adventure. Over 2 weeks of RV road trip travel. That was cool. It was a lot of fun. Definitely have to do it again sometime. We're gonna get ready, get all loaded up, and get on the road.
Oh.
Do you know where we go today, Carla?
Home.
Bittersweet moment, bringing in the back slide, and then next time I open it, we're gonna be home. Man, this place is packed. People going boating today. We're on the end of our vacation trip, so we're bugging out of here soon. Most people are just getting started. Gotta put some water in the freshwater tank. One thing I don't really like is there's no vent to show me when the water's full. Alrighty. Got one slide in already. Gotta get the other slide in, disconnect the connections and hookups.
Hey.
That's it. Yeah.
Oh, he wanted to come out with you.
Okay.
Are you coming in?
No, not yet. I mean. Alright, here, you can hold the camera. There's Macros. He's gonna be our cameraman. Okay. Alright, come here, Macros. You're gonna dump the tanks. Okay? So what I want you to do first is see that black handle? You have no, this one, the black one. See it? Pull it out. It's gonna be hard. You might need 2 hands. Pull it. Pull, pull, pull. Good job. There it goes. Let's go look. There it goes, see? It's dumping out. Good morning.
Look at all that poop.
Yeah, good job, buddy. Okay, next one we gotta pull. Oh, that's a grasshopper. Okay, next one you gotta pull this one here. Okay? Hold on, hold on. No, not that one. Alright. This one here. Pull it, pull it, pull, pull, pull. Good job. See, that one rinses everything out. See how it's getting clean now? The water's turning clear.
That's my poop.
Now it's just water from dishes and shower and stuff.
That's my poop in there.
Okay, now we wait. Okay, see how it's kind of stopped? There's no more. Okay, now push that black one in. 2 hands, push it straight in. Okay, now push that gray one in. Good work. All right. The next thing we gotta do is empty the hose. Okay.
Uh-oh. We're gonna go back home and see a little Beezy now. Grandma's at home taking care of her. And let's see how it goes. Got a filling.
Yeah.
We didn't show you guys the. That's all gone.
Yeah.
Daddy, when we get home, can we watch a family?
All right, let's take this.
So this is our huge RV. Those are our brand new e-bikes that we've been saving for a whole week. This is the other slide. That's our door. It's coming out. Don't miss any out for new videos that we've been making for a week.
Yeah. See you later.
See you later.
Slide coming in.
Yeah.
Is my chair clear?
Yes. Wiggle, wiggle too much.
All right.
All right, so please stand up and start putting your crowns back into the box, okay?
Turn the AC off. Gotta go
That's
unplug.
the other
Unplug and start the generator. Come on, Matt. Once I unplug, you can start it. I'll knock on the kitchen window there. Come on, bro. Oh, there we go.
These are our bikes, and we got some new helmets because mine was hurting my head, and then everyone wanted a new one.
That's right. You're right, baby. All right, that's it. Getting on the road again. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Yucky. Ready? Okay. Macker made a little neighbor friend.
Yeah?
Yeah. Too bad you gotta leave already, bud. All right, we're out of here again. I almost forgot to take the jacks down and pull the e-brake out, and it's like beep, 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 beep. Like, oh no. Thank God for that. Bye-bye, Lake Pleasant.
Bye-bye.
That would be a cool place to stay when it's not 3,000 degrees. Well, it looks like here we go again. Just saw a sign saying the freeway is going to be closed. No fun. We'll see. Here's our freeway closure. 2 miles from where we needed to get off, too. At least there's not a whole lot of traffic right now, because it's a Saturday morning. Well, we're back on our route. I'm about to get on the 10 now. That detour wasn't too bad. Maybe only 5 or 10 minutes extra. Not too bad. Just had to get off the freeway and take the streets to get to where we needed. And we're back. $50 gallons of gas and we're on the road again. Oh, come on, bro. Clear right, clear left, sort of. Soy guy. On the road again. AC working?
Yeah, this should be on.
Alright. And we're back on the road. Almost to California. Alright, we're passing through Quartzsite now, almost to California. We're going back to Cali. Look at out there, see, look at all those boats. On the sandbar.
Oh, look at that. That looks like a bridge.
Crossing over. We're back in Cali, baby. Just crossed over the Colorado River. Welcome to beautiful California.
Oh, yeah. Yep. I know it. I know we had to go through this. Wait, aren't we supposed to go to the semi-truck one?
No. And after 14 days, we're back in California, guys. See right there, it says welcome to California. A blue sign. It just said entering Pacific time. Were we in Pacific time? And just like that, we're back at the same Denny's that we started this trip at here in Blythe, California. All right, looking good.
I think there's a race car show off now. Because I see like...
All right, we ate at Denny's, at the same Denny's we started our trip here in Blythe, California. And now we're having our ice creams and popsicles and dessert.
There's chocolate
and we're on the home stretch. All right, we made it to Palm Springs. Had to pull off, use the restroom. And we're almost home. Almost home, guys.
Let's go!
Man, this air quality that we're coming home to is terrible. Just super hazy, super duper hazy. There was a couple fires near us recently, so I'm not sure if they have gotten better yet or not. Finally getting off the freeway at home. What?
I feel like there is one.
3,000 miles later. Yeah, the air is kind of hazy, that's for sure. I don't know if there's still a fire though, but the air is hazy for sure. Yeah, well, Mom just called her, that's why. And we got weeds in the front yard still.
Wow.
They grew back fast. Oh no, we sprayed those. Hold on, we didn't pull them. We're home!